Hello, you are welcome. How to solve this interesting question, that is 8 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x is equal to 36, and we have to find the value of x. So solution, the question is 8 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x is equal to 36. Here we know that 8 is equal to 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 8, and we also know that 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 4. So here we have to replace 8 by 2 to the power of 3 and 4 by 2 to the power of 2. So in the next step, this will become here 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 3 to the whole power of this x plus 2 to the power of 2 to the whole power of x is equal to 36. Now we can write this as 2 to the power of x to the whole power of 3 plus 2 to the power of x to the whole power of 2 is equal to 36. Now in the next step, to solve this interesting question, let we suppose this 2 to the power of x, let's suppose this is equal to y. We have to replace 2 to the power of x by y. So by substituting 2 to the power of x by y, this will become here y to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 2 is equal to 36. Now in the next step, here we have to move this 36 to the left side. So this will become y to the power of 3 plus y square minus 36 is equal to 0. Now in the next step, y to the power of 3 plus y square minus this 36 can also be written as 27 plus 9. Here 27 plus 9 is equal to 36, which is equal to 0. Y to the power of 3 plus y square minus time plus 27, this will become minus 27, minus times plus, this will become minus 9, which is equal to 0. Here this 27 is equal to 3 to the power of 3, and 9 is equal to 3 square. So we have to replace 27 by 3 to the power of 3 and 9 by 3 square. So this will become y to the power of 3 plus y square minus 3 to the power of 3 minus 3 square, which is equal to 0. Now in the next step, to solve this question, we have to combine the same powers. Here y to the power of 3 with 3 to the power of 3 and y square with the minus 3 square. So this will become here y to the power of 3 minus 3 to the power of 3 bracket plus y to the power of 2 minus 3 to the power of 2 bracket is equal to 0. Now to solve this interesting question, here we have to use two identities. For this we have to use the identity that is a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3, which is equal to a minus b bracket times a square plus ab plus b square. And for this we have to use this identity that is a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b bracket times a minus b. So here we have to use these two identities. For this we have to use this cubic identity, and for this we have to use this square identity. So this will become, to apply this identity, this will become y minus 3 bracket times y square plus 3y plus 3 square plus, for this we have to use this identity. So this will become y plus 3 bracket times y minus 3, which is equal to 0. Now in the next step, here y minus 3 bracket times y square plus 3y plus 3 square is equal to 9 plus y plus 3 bracket times y minus 3, which is equal to 0. Now look at here y minus 3 and y minus 3 are common, so we have to take y minus 3 common here. So y minus 3 taking common, So here this left y square plus 3y plus 9 plus here y plus 3 left. So here y plus 3, which is equal to 0. Here y minus 3 bracket times y square plus 3y plus 9 plus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Y minus 3 bracket times here y square 3y plus y, this will become 4y plus 4y, and here 9 plus 3, so this is equal to 9, 10, 11, 12, so this is equal to plus 12, and this is equal to 0. Now here we obtain two cases. Here the case number first is y minus 3 is equal to 0, and here y square plus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. Here we have to move this 3 to the right side, so this will become y is equal to plus 3. So here the value of y is equal to 3. Now remember, here we know that y is equal to 2 to the power of x, so we have to consider this y is equal to 2 to the power of x. So y is equal to 2 to the power of x. Now here y is equal to 3, so this will become 2 to the power of x is equal to 3, because here y is equal to 3. Now in the next step, to solve this we have to take log at both sides, so this will become log of 2 to the power of x is equal to log of 3. Now in the next step, to solve this question we have to move this x to the base, so this will become x log of 2 is equal to log of 3. Now in the next step, here x log of 2 is equal to log of 3. We have to divide both sides by log of 2, so this side divided by log of 2, and also this side divided by log of 2. Now here this log of 2 cancel with this log of 2, so here x is equal to, it implies x is equal to log of 3 divided by log of 2, and finally this will become x is equal to log of 3 of base 2. So this is the final answer of this interesting question, x is equal to log of 3 of base 2. Now we have to solve the case number second, that is y square plus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. So here a is equal, we have to solve this by the quadratic equation. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 12. First of all, we have to check this either it give a real solution or not. For that purpose we have to solve this by the discriminant formula to find either it give a real solution or not. So we have to apply here discriminant formula, that is discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. So here b is equal to 4, so here discriminant is equal to 4 square minus 4 times 1 times 12. So here discriminant is equal to 4 square is equal to 16 minus 4 times 12 is equal to 48, so this will become minus 48, and finally this is equal to minus 48 plus 16, this is equal to minus 32. So this shows that this minus 32 is less than 0, so it does not give any real solution, so we reject this answer. So we have to consider the answer of case number first, that is x is equal to log of 3 of base 2. So this is our final answer of this question. Now we have to check this answer, either this answer is correct or not. So we have to check this. First of all, we have to write the question, that is a to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x is equal to 36. Now we have to put the value of x, that is log of 3 of base 2. So this will become a to the power of log of 3 of base 2 plus 4 to the power of log of 3 of base 2 is equal to 36. Now in the next step, here this 8 is equal to 2 to the power of 3. So this will become 2 to the power of 3 to the whole power of log of 3 of base 2 plus here 4 is equal to 2 square. So 2 square to the whole power of log of 3 of base 2 is equal to 36. Here this is also in the form of 2 to the power of 3 times log of 3 of base 2 plus 2 to the power of 2 times log of 3 of base 2, which is equal to 36. Now in the next step, to solve this interesting question, we have to move this to the power and also this 2 to the power here. So this will become 2 to the power of log of 3 of base 2 and this 3 move to the power here plus here 2 to the power of log of 3 of base 2 and this 2 move here to the power, which is equal to 36. 2 to the power of log of here 3 to the power of 3, this is equal to 3 times 3 is equal to 9. 9 times 3 is equal to 27. So this will become 27 of base 2 plus 2 to the power of here log of 3 square is equal to 9 to the base 2 is equal to 36. Now here again we know that this logarithm rule, a to the power of log of b of base a is equal to b. Here to apply this rule, here b is equal to 27 and b is equal to 9. So here this will become, this is equal to 27 plus here b is equal to 9, which is equal to 36. So finally 27 plus 9 is equal to 36, which is equal to 36. This shows that the left hand side and the right hand side are equal. So our answer and the value of x is equal to log of 3 of base 2. So this is the answer of this interesting question. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye bye.